Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we embark on a journey into the intricate world within each of us, a world that dictates our energy levels, our body composition, and our overall vitality. We're diving deep into the fascinating realm of metabolism, exploring how we can naturally enhance this fundamental process through the power of nutrition. Let's unlock your body's fat-burning potential. Chapter 1. What is metabolism really? Metabolism, you see, is the very essence of life, a continuous symphony of chemical reactions occurring within our cells. It's the process by which our bodies convert food and drink into the energy we need to survive, to thrive, to power every beat of our hearts and every thought in our minds. Now, at the heart of this intricate process lies the basal metabolic rate, or BMR, a measure of the energy your body expends simply to keep you alive and functioning at rest. Imagine a furnace burning steadily, even in a house at rest, maintaining a base level of warmth. That's your BMR at work. Consider for a moment the hummingbird, a creature of astonishing energy and rapid metabolism. Its heart, a tiny drum, beats over 1,000 times a minute, its wings a blur as it darts from flower to flower. This frenetic pace of life demands a high BMR, a metabolic furnace burning bright to fuel its extraordinary existence. Similarly, individuals with a higher proportion of lean muscle mass tend to have higher BMRs. Muscle, you see, is a metabolically active tissue requiring more energy to maintain than fat. It's like comparing a bustling city, alive with activity and energy consumption, to a quiet countryside village. Chapter 2. Common habits that slow it down. Our modern world, for all its marvels, often leads us down a path that inadvertently sabotages our metabolic fire. We fall prey to restrictive diets, skipping meals in a desperate attempt to shed pounds, unaware that we're actually signaling our bodies to conserve energy, to slow down the very processes we're trying to accelerate. Imagine, if you will, a bear preparing for hibernation. It instinctively consumes vast quantities of food, storing up energy reserves to sustain it through the lean winter months. When we drastically reduce our caloric intake, our bodies react similarly, perceiving a scarcity of resources and shifting into a state of conservation. Consider the all-too-common 1,200-calorie crash diet, a regime that, while seemingly virtuous, can actually backfire in our quest for metabolic enhancement. By depriving our bodies of the fuel they need, we inadvertently trigger a cascade of hormonal changes that can lead to muscle loss, reduced metabolic rate, and ultimately, a rebound weight gain that is even harder to shed. Chapter 3. Power foods that boost metabolism. Just as a well-stoked fire burns brighter, certain foods possess a remarkable ability to ignite our metabolic furnaces. These nutritional powerhouses provide the building blocks for a thriving metabolism, fueling our cells and optimizing energy expenditure. Protein, the very building block of our muscles, stands as a cornerstone of metabolic enhancement. It requires more energy for our bodies to digest and process compared to carbohydrates or fats, a phenomenon known as the thermic effect of food. Imagine a construction crew working tirelessly to erect a skyscraper, the clang of hammers and the hum of machinery a testament to the energy expended. Embrace the fiery kick of chili peppers, for within their vibrant hues lies capsaicin, a compound that has been shown to temporarily increase thermogenesis, the process by which our bodies generate heat and burn calories. It's like adding kindling to a fire, providing a short but potent burst of metabolic activity. Green tea, an ancient elixir revered for its health-promoting properties, contains catechins, antioxidants that may enhance fat oxidation and boost metabolism. And coffee, the morning ritual of millions, can provide a temporary metabolic boost thanks to its caffeine content, which stimulates the nervous system and increases energy expenditure. Chapter 4. The importance of hydration. Water, the elixir of life, plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy metabolism. It's essential for countless bodily functions, including the transportation of nutrients, the regulation of body temperature, and the removal of waste products. When we're dehydrated, even mildly so, our metabolic rate can take a dip. Studies have shown that drinking just 500 milliliters of water can increase resting metabolism by up to 30%, a testament to the profound impact of proper hydration on our internal workings. Chapter 5. Meal timing and frequency. The timing and frequency of our meals can also influence our metabolic symphony. Eating within an hour of waking helps to kickstart our metabolism, providing our bodies with the fuel they need to power through the day. Conversely, going too long without eating can trigger a cascade of hormonal changes that signal our bodies to conserve energy, potentially leading to a decrease in metabolic rate. It's like allowing a fire to dwindle, the flames diminishing as the fuel supply runs low. Chapter 6. Micronutrients that matter. While we often focus on macronutrients like protein, carbohydrates, and fats, it's the often overlooked micronutrients that play a vital role in the intricate dance of metabolism. These vitamins and minerals, though needed in smaller amounts, act as essential cofactors in countless enzymatic reactions that drive our metabolic processes. Iron, for instance, is crucial for the transportation of oxygen throughout the body, a process that is essential for energy production. Magnesium plays a vital role in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those involved in glucose metabolism and energy production. Selenium and zinc, two trace minerals often overlooked, play a crucial role in maintaining hormone balance, which can have a significant impact on metabolic health. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals, while zinc is essential for the production and regulation of several hormones, including thyroid hormone, which plays a key role in regulating metabolism. Chapter 7. Bonus tips for long-term success. Our journey to a thriving metabolism extends beyond individual foods and nutrients. It's about embracing a holistic approach to nutrition and lifestyle, making sustainable changes that support our metabolic health in the long run. Cooking more meals at home allows us to control the quality of our ingredients, opting for whole, unprocessed foods that nourish our bodies and support optimal metabolic function. Don't fear healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are essential for hormone production, cell function, and satiety, helping us feel fuller for longer and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Limit processed foods, those often laden with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can disrupt our metabolic balance. And finally, embrace movement throughout your day. While structured exercise is important, incorporating more movement into our daily routines, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a brisk walk during our lunch break, can significantly impact our overall calorie expenditure and metabolic health. Your journey to a boosted metabolism. Thanks so much for watching. We've journeyed deep into the heart of metabolism, exploring the intricate processes that govern our energy levels and overall well-being. Remember, boosting your metabolism is not about quick fixes or restrictive diets, but about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your body's natural ability to thrive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.